be as hot and sunny, that's for sure, but I would say there's some very good news on the horizon. It should be good growing weather, good spring weather. We remain frost-free. It won't be as warm, though I should think some have found it too hot, but all should get some rain at some time, because although we've had very settled weather, we are watching now to the south of us this low pressure area wind up, and that effectively is going to be the thing in charge for the next week, though not dominating the weather entirely. It's bringing rain already in along this line to the southwest of England, and that's all got to move northwards in the next 18 hours or so to hit Scotland at the start of tomorrow. The early morning showers through Cornwall into Devon were briefly thundery, but most of that activity has gone west now, and we see just a thin line of showers. Ahead of it, some very interesting clouds. You look in the sky now and you'll find nice shapes to watch. Now, some of those may develop into pretty big showers, but only very locally, let's say in Wales or maybe the Western Midlands. Otherwise, it's a gorgeous day, with the exception, again, of the far northeast of Scotland. But for those showers, if you're caught in them, they will without doubt be noticed, a risk of some very localised flooding. So the last of the hot days, then, many places will hit 23 to 25 degrees, the exception again the east coast and where the sea fog has come inland in Aberdeenshire and around Murray. Tomorrow the shower belt will have gotten this far north. We start the morning in Northern Ireland, we move the showers into Scotland, it'll lie as a line down towards eastern England. Late in the day I think we might find substantial rain for the eastern counties of England and East Anglia. But behind, the air is much cooler, not very showery, quite fine, but only about 18 to 20 degrees. On Tuesday, that's where one low is. Again, more thunder on its way. Otherwise, it's a difficult one to call. But I think still the line of likely wet or at least damp weather is from western Scotland through England. And then beyond that, late in the day, thunderstorms come back. Otherwise, a lot of fine weather with temperatures drop back to more like the May average, or a bit above, of 17 to 19 degrees. And you can see why, therefore, we are frost-free at night. Wednesday is about as far as we can go with a deterministic forecast, i.e. this is likely to look like the real pattern, with a low pressure area really in charge, but a bit further north, which suggests that most of the rain is going to be over Scotland, but with a trailing shower band virtually anywhere further south. So a reminder then, it's not going to be as hot this week ahead. Some should get rain, if not all. Good growing weather.